Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay, and today I'm back with another tutorial on how to buy or sell MBOX token. So all you need to do is just to have first a digital wallet. So in this video I have the MetaMask wallet. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet, or if you want to create a new one, all you need to know is just you'll find it down below on our channel how to create a MetaMask account. So let's say for example you already have your MetaMask account, so you're just gonna need to go to the CoinMarketCap website, then come here to the search button, then type MBOX, then you just press here at MOBOX, which is MBOX token, then you just press at this icon. This icon, it's just gonna copy the address of this token at the Binance Smart Chain network. Then after copying the address, you'll just need to go to the Pancakeswap website. So after you go here, this is gonna appear to you, and you'll just need to hover the straight section, then press swap. After that, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet to this website. All you need to do is just press connect wallet, then choose MetaMask, but because that's what we have, and it simply is gonna be connected. If it's your first time connecting your wallet to a new website, they will just ask you to press next, then connect, which is super easy to do. Then you'll just need to come here at Cake, press at Cake, then paste your address that you copied from the CoinMarketCap, then press imports. I understand, then import. So this is kind of all of it. You'll just need to do simple steps. Now you'll just come here and enter the amount of BNB that you want to swap. So let's say, for example, I want to swap 1 BNB, so I'm just gonna type here 1, and they will show me the amount of MBOX token that I'm going to get. So after that, I'm just gonna press swap, and I'm gonna be all done. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please leave a like and a comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe.